ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 134 ये पुस्तक है। 134 उद्गीत ब्राह्मण 22nd मंत्र टीका, second line. So Phalashruti is remaining, everything else we have seen. Just as Akasha is Sarvagata, Aparichinna, still you can have Upakasha, Kumbhakasha, Mathakasha, ityadi. Avacheda Upalabdhi is there. In the same way, Prana also is Sarvagata and Sama, but it can have some Avacheda. Further, Phalashrutim avatarya vyakaroti. So now Phalashruti is explaining. Evam samatvad samakhyam pranam veda yaha shruti prakashita mahatvam tasya etat phalam ashrute vyapnoti samnah pranasya sayujyam sayubhavam समान देहेन्द्रियाभिमानत्वं सालोक्यं समान लोकतां वा भावना विशेषतो य एवं एतद् यथोक्तं साम प्राणं वेद। एवं समत्वात् सामाख्यम प्राण, प्राण इज समत्वात् साम आख्या यस्य सह प्राणः सामाख्यः। साम इज इट्स आख्या मीन्स नेम। सामाख्यम प्राणम वेद यह, anybody who knows this prana, knows means upasana, he has to know and he has to meditate as I am prana in this way, aham prana. यह श्रुति प्रकाशित महत्वम तस्य एतत् फलम अश्नुते। He should also know श्रुति प्रकाशित महत्वम, यत् महत्वम श्रुत्या प्रकाशितम तत् श्रुति प्रकाशित महत्वम तस्य उपासकस्य एतत् फलम अश्नुते व्याप्नोति। He will get this phalam. साम्नः प्राणस्य सायुज्यम सयुग्भावम समान देहेन्द्रिय अभिमानत्वम 1 सालोक्यम समान लोकतां वा भावना विशेषतो य एवं एतद् यथोक्तं साम प्राणं वेद। साम्नः प्राणस्य सायुज्यम, that person will attain sayujya with prana. What is sayujyam? Sayujyam is given in the mantra. Sayujyam is sayug bhavam. What is sayug bhavam? Saman dehendriya abhimanatva. Sayug bhavam means any with anybody means samana dehe indriya abhimanatva. So in that, whatever is happening in that deha, he experiences in his deha. Whatever is happening in those indriyas, he thinks it is happening in his indriya. This is samana deha indriya abhimanatva. So like Bhagavan's Parshadas, you know, they have this kind of samana deha indriya abhimanatva, sayujya. And salokya means samana lokatam. Samana lokata In that same loka he is there. Athva, another way it is explained, bhavana visheshatah. Bhavana vishesha. In that same loka, either he is there or he will have samana indriya, deha indriya abhimanatvam. This is interesting because Ramakrishna Paramahamsa ji, it is said, he had this kind of abhimana with whichever devata he used to meditate on. He will have samana dehendriya abhimana. If he does Rama upasana, he will think he is Rama. If he is doing Kali upasana, he will think he is Kali. And then in his body, all such things will also appear, express. And when he meditated, he was Hanumanam. Hanumanji, it is said he had tail also. Means he felt that there is a tail. फल विकल्पे हेतुमाह भावना विशेषतो य एवं एतद यथोक्तम साम प्राणम वेद. ड्यू टू भावना विशेष यह एवं एतद यथोक्तम साम प्राणम वेद. वेदनम व्याकरोति, दैट वेदनम इज एक्सप्लेन्ड. आ प्राणात्म अभिमान अभिव्यक्तेः उपास्ते इत्यर्थः. हाउ लॉन्ग ही शुड डू दिस काइंड ऑफ ध्यानम? आ प्राणात्म अभिमान अभिव्यक्तेः, until that pranatma abhiman abhivyakti happens, until that point such upasana is done ityartha. Idancha phalam madhya pradipa nyayena ubhayata sambaddham avadheyam. Madhya pradipa nyaya means sayujya also and salokya also, both can also be there, not only one. Madhya pradipa nyaya is Madhya Deepika Nyaya, that you keep the lamp at the shore threshold. Inside also there is light, outside also. Antaha Bahihi also in this. With this 22nd mantra is complete. Now further in Tika. Prastavadi Shabdavat Udgitha Shabdasyapi Bhakti Visheshe Rudhatvad Udgithena Atyayama Iti Atra Cha उद्गात्रे कर्मणि प्रयुक्तत्वात् कथम उद्गीतः प्राण इत्याशंक्य आह. What is udgitha? In Chandogya it is explained. Actually 7 number tippani you see. Adina Chandogya ukta hinkara tayo grahya. Udgitha is Pancha Bhaktika and Sapta Bhaktika. Bhakti means bhaga, parts. One is Pancha Bhaktika, so Prastava, Hinkara, 2 are already given. Prastava is given here, Hinkara is given in Tippani. Prastava, Hinkara. Third is Udgitha. Then Prati Prastava and Bhakti. These are the 5. This is called Pancha Bhaktika Udgita or Pancha Bhaktika Sama. And another is Sapta Bhaktika. So in that you have to add 2 more. Adi and Upadrava. 5 plus 2. Adi and Upadrava. All this prana upasana and this indriya trying to dominate and prana like a rock, then asuras not able to affect prana. All this topic is discussed in the beginning of Chandogya also. So if you study once, it will be easy. Then you don't have to worry. Prastavadi Shabdavat Udgitha Shabdasyapi Bhakti Prastava etc. Prastava Adi Yasya Tat प्रस्तावादि शब्दवत् उद्गीत शब्दस्यापि भक्ति विशेषे रूढत्वात्. Udgith is also a bhakti vishesha. Rudatvat. Udgithena atyayama iti atra cha udgatre audgatre audgatre karmani prayuktatvat. Katham udgitha prana iti ashankya. Udgitha is rudha in this bhakti vishesha. Pancha bhaktika, sapta bhaktika. In that udgitha shabda prayoga comes. You are saying Udgitha is prana. Next mantra says that. Yeshava Udgitha. How Udgitha is prana also? Rudhatvad Udgithena Atyayama iti atra. So such expressions are there. Udgithena Atyayama. Udgata is there, the one who does this Udganam. One meaning of Udgitha is also Udganam. But that is not the meaning to be taken here. Here Udgitha is prana. Iti atra cha udgatre karmani prayuktatvat. So in some udgatra karma is there, in that udgitha shabda prayoga is done. Then katham udgitha prana iti ashankyaha. How do you say udgitha is prana? In mantra you see now. Esha va udgitha prano va ut pranena hi idam sarvam uttabdham. Vageva githa ucca githa cha iti sa udgitha. एष वा उद्गीतः. एषः कः? प्राणः. प्राणः इज उद्गीतः. प्राण इज उद्गीतः. प्राणो वा उत प्राणेन हि इदं सर्वं उत्तब्धम्. प्राणेन हि इदं सर्वं उत्तब्धम्. उत्तब्धम् means everything is lifted, everything is supported of the whole creation. Pranena, by prana. Idam sarvam uttabdham. Vageva githa. Ucca githa cha iti sa udgitha. What is udgitha? Ucca githa cha iti udgitha. It is ud and it is githa. In South, those people, somebody name is Gita or Bhagavad Gita is there, for example. So they will write Geetha. So it will pronounce as Gita. It means we will pronounce it as Gita. We will not say Gita because Tha is there, TH is there. But they will say it is Gita only. And if we say no, it needs to be Geeta, then they will say it will become Gita. Because Ta is there. T. So how you see how within one country also how people think so differently even about pronunciations of such common things. So tea for them is like tomato tea. So wherever tea is there, it will be ta. And if you want ta, it has to be th. Anyway, just some lighter thing. Okay, so now Ucca Gita cha iti Udgita. Huh? See in Bhashya, Esha va Udgita. Udgito nama Sam Avayavo. Bhakti Vishesho na Udganam. Udgita is Sam Avayava. It is not Bhakti Vishesha, na Udganam. Na will go with both. Tikakar says, see. Naya padasya ubhayataha sambandha. Naya is there in both. Ubhayata means, see, na Udganam is given, no? Bhakti Vishesho na, Udganam na. Understood? In Tika, you see, Naya padasya ubhayataha sambandha is given. Naya pada means that na. Na should be connected with both.
Yes.
What is before and after?
Got it, sir.
Sama Shabditasya Sama Shabditasya प्राणस्य प्रकृतत्वात् इति हेतुमा. Sama Shabdita prana is said as Udgita. Why? Prakritatvat. Because that is the prakarana. In that, what is the hetu? Adhikarat. Samadhikara. Because adhikaran means prakaranam, upakrama, what we call. Upakrama is of prana. Whole topic is of prana. Therefore, here prana alone is to be understood. There is no other Udgita. Katham Udgita prana? So, tika, let us see first. न तावद उद्गीत शब्दस्य प्राणे रूढ़िस् तस्य तस्मिन् वृद्ध प्रयोगादर्शनात् नापि योगो अवयव वृत्तेः अदृष्टेः इति शंकते. Somebody says Udgita shabda is not rudha in prana. Rudhi means what is the popular usage. Udgita shabda is not used in prana. Tasmin vruddha prayoga adarshana. In that vruddha prayoga, vruddha means Purva Acharya. Their prayoga is not done. Adarshana. Napi yogo. And there is no yoga also. Yoga means yogika artha. Because Ut and Gita, how will it form prana? So it is not there. Adrishte iti shankate. Avayava vrittehe adrishte iti shankate. Katham udgitah prana. Yoga vrittim upetya pariharati. So now yoga vritti is given. It is not rudi, but yoga vritti is there. Prano va ut pranena hi yasmad idam sarvam jagat उत्तब्धम ऊर्ध्वम स्तब्धम उत्तम्बितम विद्रुतम इत्यर्थः. प्राणो वा उत. So ut and Gita. Prana is ut. By that pranena hi yasmat idam sarvam jagat. This entire jagat uttabdham. Uttabdham means urdhvam stabdham uttambitam is lifted up and supported. Vidrutam. Vidrutam, what is the dhatu?
Dha dhatu.
Triya dharane. Triya dharane. Nishtha pratyay is there. Vi upasarga purvak. Triya dharane. Nishtha pratyay. Vidrutam. उत्तब्धार्थादि उत्तब्धार्थ अवद्योतको अयम उच्च शब्द है. उत्तब्धार्थ अवद्योतको अयम उच्च शब्द है. So this uttambanam, there is one dhatu, stambhu rodhane, stambhane cha, stambhu rodhane, stambhane cha. In that, when nishtha pratyaya comes, then it becomes uttambha. उत्तब्धार्थ अवद्योतको अयम उच्च शब्द है. उत. And it is prana guna abhidhayakah. Did I read this vakya? Okay, so first see the tika. उच्च शब्दो न अस्य अर्थस्य वाचको निपातत्वात् इत्याशंका. Somebody says उच्च शब्द is a nipatak. Nipatatvat na asya arthasya vachaka. It doesn't have this meaning. Ut means prana. So here it is given. Uttabdhartha avadhyotako ayam utshabda. उत्तब्ध अर्थ अवद्योतक इज उच्च शब्द. प्राण गुण अभिधायक. उच्च शब्द इज प्राण गुण अभिधायक. Uttambanam is the guna of prana because prana supports. Prana keeps everything held. So here also, our sanghata also, Karyakarana sanghata is held by prana. So Uttambanam is its guna. 4 number tippani you mark. Huh? There is one more. Huh? 3rd number tippani also. Nipatanam anekarthatvat. All these nipatas, they can have different meaning. It's not necessary that every time it is the same meaning. Tasmat ut prano vag eva gita. Ut is prana, vag is gita. Therefore, together they make udgita. Vag eva gita. Shabda visheshatvat. Udgita bhaktehe. Udgita is a bhakti. Bhakti means a part. Part in the Veda. In the Vedic context means not part of the Veda. In the Vedic context, it is called part. तथापि कथम प्राणो वा उत इत्युक्तम तत्र. But how do you say prana is ut? So we said prano vak, etc. वायुर्वै गौतम तत्सूत्रम इत्यादि श्रुतेर इत्यर्थः. Prana is ut. And quotation is given Vayurvai Gautama Tat Sutram. What is the connection? Prana means Vayu. Vayu is Sutram. Sutram means that which connects. Sutratvat, it is having the Uttambhana Guna, supporting Guna, like the Sutra in the Mala. It is supporting all. So Uttambhana Guna is there in Sutram. Sutram is Prana. Prana expresses as Vayu. Therefore, Vayurvai Gautama Tat Sutram. This quotation is explaining Prana has Uttambhana Guna. Therefore, Prana is Ut. Sometimes, and in particular in Brother, some quotation is given, but we don't know what is this quotation for also. Tasmat. In Tika further, Udgita Bhaktehe Shabda Visheshatve Api Gita Vak Iti Katham Uchyate. So now he is okay with the Ut. Ut part is okay. Ut means Prana. Prana is supporter. It has Uttambhana Guna. Therefore it is fine. Now the Gita part. So Udgita Bhaktehe Shabda Visheshatve Api Gita Vak Iti Katham Uchyate. Why do you say Gita is Vak? Tatraha. गायते शब्दार्थत्वात् सा वागेव. गायते 8 नंबर टिप्पणी. गायते गीयते अनया इति व्युत्पत्तेः. गीता वाक् इति व्युत्पत्ते. गीता वाग् इत्यर्थः. गीयते अनया. गई शब्दे. गई धातु is for shabda. So that by which it is sung. So shabda is the guna of vak indriya. Vak indriya expresses through shabda. Adhar. Akasha guna. But vak indriya makes it manifest. Shrotrendriya. Then what is Vag Indriya? But it has sambandha with Shabda or not? शब्द विशेषत्वे उद्गीत भक्ते है शब्द विशेषत्व अपि गीता वाक् कथम उच्यते तत्राह गायते गायते है शब्दार्थत्वात् सा वाग् एव हु इज गोइंग टू डू गानम वाक् therefore in some sambandha you have to show ganam will be done through vagindriya. See, the same indriya, when it is used for speaking, it is called vak. When it is for eating, it is rasanendriya. So we don't say rasanendriya is doing ganam. We say vag indriya is doing ganam. So ganam is for prana. That's how it was said earlier. नहीं उद्गीत भक्त अथ अवधारणम साधयति वाग एव इट इज गिवन सा वाग एव वाई एव नहीं उद्गीत भक्ते है शब्द व्यतिरेकेण किंचित रूपम उपलभ्यते उद्गीत भक्ति इट इज ऑल शब्दस दिस उद्गीत द प्रस्ताव एंड हिंकार उद्गीत अति प्रस्ताव भक्ति all of them are शब्द रूप शब्द व्यतिरेकेण किंचित रूपम न उपलभ्यते तस्माद् युक्तम अवधारणम वाग एव गीता इति वाग itself is गीता. टीका तथापि कथम प्राणस्य उद्गीतत्वम इति आशंक्य हाउ प्राण हैज उद्गीतत्वम वाक् उपसर्जनस्य तस्य तथात्वम कथयति वाक् उपसर्जनस्य प्राणस्य उद्गीतत्वम in this way you do अन्वय वाक् उपसर्जन प्राण is उद्गीत उपसर्जन means what is उपसर्जन गौण
गौण
टीका भाष्य उच्च प्राणो गीता च प्राणतंत्रा वाक् उच्च प्राण comma if you want you put after that ut is prana gita is vak vak is pranatantra vak depends upon prana and vak is called gita iti ubhayam ekena shabdena abhidiyate so instead of using two shabdas ud gita udgita one shabda is there abhidiyate sa udgitaha in this way 23rd mantra is complete uktartha dardhyaya akhyayika arabhyate now to make this meaning firm more clear akhyayika a story comes in the Vedas. Now what is a story? See the mantra number 24 तद्धापि ब्रह्मदत्तश्चैकितानेयो राजानं भक्षयन् उवाच अयं त्यस्य राजा मूर्धानं विपातयतात् यद् इतो अयास्य आंगिरसो अन्येन उदगायत इति वाचा स हि एव स प्राणेन च उदगायत इति तद्धापि तद्ह अपि Tadhapi. So ha is to show it happened. Itihasa. Itihasa in this way. Tadhapi. Brahmadatta Chaikitaneya. This Chaikitaneya, whose name is Brahmadatta. Chikitanasya apatyam Chaikitanaha. Tadapatyam yuva Chaikitaneya. So Brahmadatta is the name of the person, and he comes in the Chikitana family. Chikitana ancestor. Chikitsi. It will be given. Chikitana is grandfather. Chikitana's son will be Chaikitana. His Yuva Apatyam means his great grandson is called Chaikitaneya. He goes to some yaga, and there he does Rajanam Bhakshayan. Raja means not king. Here Raja is Somarasa. Somarasa is the Raja. So he is doing Bhakshanam of Somarasa. And while doing that, he says, Ayam Bhakshayan Uvacha Ayam. He said this. What? Tyasya. Tyasya means Tasya. Raja Murdhanam Vipatayatat Yadi Ito Ayasya. This Somarasa, may it bring the head of this person, Tasya, of that person. That person means he is referring to himself. That person's head would fall off if he is doing Udganam of somebody other than Prana. Means like this. I'll explain in the simple words. Somebody says, I am telling the truth. The one who does not tell the truth, his head will fall off. So he said, the one who does not tell the truth, his head will fall off. So when he says, I am telling the truth, means he is saying, if I am not telling the truth, my head will fall off. Like that, he is drinking this soma. And he says, if I am not thinking of this as prana, ayasya, angirasa, mukhya prana, then my head would fall off. But instead of using me, he said tasya in this way. Raja Shabda is there. Raja is no king is there. Raja here means because the Somapana is Raja. Vipatayatat means Vispashtam. V is the Upasarga. Patayatat is which Rupam? Patayatat. If I'll give you simple example. Patha dhatu. Pathatat will be
Lot.
Lot lakar. Pathayatat will be Nijanta Lot lakar. So here also Patayatat, V is the Upasarga. Pad dhatu Nijanta Lot lakar. And Ayasya Angirasa. These two are the names of Prana. Ayasya Angiraso. Anyena Udgayat iti vacha. By these words, he said, so Udgata Angirasa Ayasya, that which is this Prana. So if I am doing this Udganam, if I have done Udganam for anybody other than Prana, then my head would fall off. Iti vacha cha hi eva sa pranena cha udgayati. By this, it is ascertained that he has done udganam with prana itself, not anybody else. The mantra explanation is over. Bhashya and Tika we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.